In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support squarespace.com. We'll walk through how to start from the Squarespace site, get to their Help Center, and open the article about URL slugs. Along the way, I'll explain what you're looking for so this process feels smooth and intuitive. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is their starting point for building a site, and it's a reliable place to access official resources without needing to be logged in. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a second. Squarespace often includes visuals and templates on this screen. Using a current browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge will help everything display correctly. Once you're on that page, look toward the top navigation bar and click Resources. It's typically near the main navigation links and may include learning materials, guides, and support options. If you're on a smaller screen or using a mobile device, open the main menu first, then look for resources inside the menu. Clicking Resources brings you closer to Squarespace's official help tools. Next, select Help Center. This takes you to Squarespace's knowledge base, where you can browse guides by topic or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. The Help Center is designed to be beginner-friendly, so if you land on a homepage with featured articles and categories, you're in the right place. You'll also see a prominent search field at the top. Now, type URL slugs into the search field. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. That's normal. A quick note on terminology. A URL slug is the last part of a page's web address, like the words that come after your domain. Clean, descriptive slugs are important for clarity and can help with search visibility. Keep your spelling simple here. The Help Center will match the phrase easily. When you see the URL slugs result, click it. This opens the official article about how URL slugs work on Squarespace and how they're managed across pages, products, and posts. As you read, pay attention to best practices the article highlights, like keeping slugs short, using lowercase letters, separating words with hyphens, and avoiding special characters or spaces. The article often explains how slugs relate to navigation and how changing a slug can affect the link to a page. So it's worth scanning for notes about redirects or SEO considerations. That's it. You've gone from Squarespace's main site to the Help Center and opened the URL slugs guide. If this was helpful, consider bookmarking the article for quick reference and explore related guides in the Help Center whenever you need a deeper dive.